Whether your bathroom has modern, contemporary, or traditional features, a mirror might just be the thing to add to your existing decor. Adding a smart mirror to the bathroom is an easy way to give yourself a luxury, high-end hotel vibe. Usually, these smart mirrors feature real-time weather updates, indoor temperature and humidity readings, on top of alarms and Bluetooth connectivity that will significantly boost your day-to-day life convenience. All that being said, in this video, we have compiled a list of the 5 best smart bathroom mirrors that can help you to properly take care of your body. So without delaying a bit, let's jump into the video. Hey guys, welcome to Smart Home 101. Here, we will be sharing insightful videos to familiarize you with the idea of a smart home and automation tips. After testing and analyzing thousands of products, our team of experts have come up with buying guides, reviews, recommendations, and the latest buzz so that you are always up to date with the current smart home trends. Starting off, we have the Keonjinn-LED, the perfect entry-level device that delivers fantastic lighting inside your bathroom. The Kionjin 40 by 24-inch LED bathroom mirror will eliminate all your viewing issues because it includes a perfect lighting system that you can adjust according to your need. You can also select the temperature of this mirror according to your need to create the right ambience for you. Moreover, the mirror has a memory function which will restore the last lighting condition once the power has been reconnected. Thereby, you don't have to tweak the settings every time you turn it on. Also, with the built-in anti-fogging function, you do not need to constantly clean your mirror with a fog-free spray or rinse the mirror multiple times during a shower. And for its comprehensive feature, we strongly recommend this product to you. Next up, we have the Smart Bathroom from SL4U. This smart mirror can be easily an ideal choice for you if you want a mirror that comprises lots of features at a reasonable price. With its yellow to white and 10% to 100% brightness dimming features, you can easily set the right mood at any time of the day. Besides, the 90+ CRI LEDs used in the mirror are highly energy efficient and would last approximately 50,000 hours, meaning you don't have to worry about the energy bills. Furthermore, it has a defrogging function that will keep the mirror surface neat, so you will be able to get a clear vision while applying makeup or shaving your beard. Additionally, its aluminum alloy frame and PVC backboard offers extra support and protection, which makes it very safer to use. Because of its amazing features and value, you will absolutely love this product. Coming at number 3, we have the Featured Pack Smart Mirror from Gesiport, a uniquely designed device that can give you a 360-degree music listening experience. Its most eye-catchy feature is its Bluetooth audio. In the case of other mirrors, the sound fails to flow due to the sound of water, but with this mirror's 360-degree surround sound, you won't miss even a single beat. Also, you can connect your phone with the smart mirror and receive important calls while showering. Most smart mirrors fall short on lighting in the dark, but thanks to the powerful LED lighting, you will get proper illumination that can be adjusted according to your need. Moreover, this mirror comes with a unique defroster button which will be active for 1 to 2 minutes once activated, so you don't have to use the anti-fog spray to clean it. Due to its exceptional sound quality and look, you must give this product a try. Now at number 2, we have the Smart Mirror from Homecart, a budget-friendly bathroom mirror that goes very easy on your wallet. This wall-mounted bathroom mirror is made of aluminum alloy, meaning you can use it for a very long time. Equipped with a very sensitive sensor, this bathroom mirror can be turned on or off automatically without any hassle. The edges of this mirror are covered with LED strips that can produce 4000 Kelvin of color temperature, so even in the night, you can see yourself clearly. In addition, this affordable smart mirror includes built-in Bluetooth, so you no longer need to carry your mobile phone to the bathroom to listen to your favorite music. Moreover, this smart mirror also contains anti-fog features, which will keep your smart mirror clean, free of mist and water droplets. Therefore, if you are looking for a smart mirror with a budget-friendly price tag and numerous intelligent features, be sure to check this Homecart smart bathroom mirror. Featuring at number 1, we have the overall best smart bathroom mirror from Bicold. Constructed with aluminum and tempered glass, this smart mirror has several features, including a smart switch that allows you to access 3 major features at once, such as defogging, light, and weather forecast. While paired with the Wi-Fi Clock mobile app, you will be able to see the weather information instantly from the comfort of your luxury bath. Also, you can set alarms, check the weather, and do several other tricks as well. Additionally, you can choose between a 3000 Kelvin warm light or 6000 Kelvin white light by pressing the switch on the black box behind the mirror. Moreover, something that might always bother you about bathroom mirrors is the fog, but with this mirror's anti-fog feature, you can get rid of it like magic. For its spectacular features, this smart bathroom mirror is the one you should get your hands on. So that was our list of the 5 best smart bathroom mirrors for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.